Today we're doing a Diamond Glow on my lovely patient's skin to address exfoliation, brightening, and overall clarification. I'm just cleansing her skin with the Zeo Gentle Cleanser to help remove any residual makeup or buildup. The steam is a great addition because it helps activate the products on the skin as well as opening up the pores and really helping the product penetrate deeper. And now I'm just removing the cleanser with a warm towel. Now I'm evaluating my patient's skin to decide which serum to use on her face. Today I'm using the vitamin C serum to help with antioxidant protection, anti-aging, and discoloration. I'm going to do 1 pass on her neck and 2 passes full face. With the dial on the machine, I'm just adjusting the level of suction to get the best result for her skin. And there's no pain with this. It is no downtime and no discomfort. This is our Diamond Glow facial. It is a 3-in-1 facial that exfoliates, extracts, and infuses. For any more questions, please contact Radiant Divine.